let's go see some pretty amazing cars. Woo, okay. I mean, damn, look at this. This car belongs to TV celebrity chef Gordon Ramsay. This is a Monza SP2. So this car comes in two flavors. You have the SP1, which only has one seat, and you have the SP2, which has two seats, which is what this one is. If you want to know what an F1 car experience is like on the road, you get one of these. Actually, if you want the thorough experience, you get the SP1, because it's got one seat, just you and the machine. This one you can actually share with somebody else as well. You though, if you have to choose between the SP1 and SP2, what would you have?
SP1 probably.
Yeah, I think I probably agree as well. That's the one thing.
It's more of a heritage car. So.
Yeah, but the wife might not be happy though.
I need the wife. I'm driving.
Because that is not a car you share with her, right? It's
like
so forget shopping, forget the kids. The SP1 just for you, yourself, and you, and that's it. This is Ferrari's most powerful engine. It's a V12. This car has a 6.5 litre V12 engine sitting on the front axle. Apparently, it's built on the 812
platform.
Color spec is just like, it's on point. So Gordon Ramsay, man, he did well. And I like the fact that he spec'd this, the ports on the sides differently. He got red on this side and he got black here as well. He got this kind of black accent line thing going on here as well. That is really, really nice. Let's have a look at the back of it. Let's see how much boot space this car actually has. So boys and girls, this is how much boot space you have in the back of the SP2. So the shield on the SP1 and SP2 is actually painted. That is to save weight. Massive front brakes and red calipers as well. You've got the red highlights on the car as well. Very, very cool. Center caps are carbon on this car because Gordon Ramsay, he spec'd it quite well. This guy has got carbon for days, man. Yeah, it is beautiful, but I'm quite surprised though that the wing mirrors are not carbon. He's gone for the painted body color match thing going on there. One thing I forgot to show you guys was this as well. Look at the driving mirror. You guys see that? The position of it. Too cool. And yeah, that's Gordon Ramsay's amazing Ferrari SP2. All right, it's time to say goodbye to these beauties.